In this video, I will show you how to use Hey Siri on your AirPods Pro. So let's jump straight into it. So this guide will work with all generations of AirPods, including the AirPods 1s, 2s, AirPods Pros and AirPods Pros 2. So to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course connect your AirPods to either your iPhone or iPad. Next, what you want to do is open up the settings on your device and press onto Siri and search. Finally, all you need to do is go ahead and make sure the box is ticked, so you want to switch this on to listen for Hey Siri. Now, if you're setting this up for the first time, what it's going to do is actually configure Siri to recognize your voice. So what you want to do is make sure you've got your AirPods in your ears, and once it's connected and you've turned on Hey Siri, there are going to be some prompts coming up for you to say Hey Siri. So you want to make sure you got your AirPods in your ears, and when the prompts come up, you just want to keep saying Hey Siri, and you need to do this a couple of times until it recognizes your voice. And when it does recognize your voice, you'll then be able to go ahead and use voice commands for Hey Siri with your AirPods. So that is how to go ahead and use Hey Siri on the AirPods Pro. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.